السلام علیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام.
سر کیسے ہیں آپ؟
الحمدللہ میں ٹھیک ہوں. آپ سنائیں ٹھیک ہوں؟
ہاں جی اللہ پاک کا شکر ہے.
جی. کون بات کر رہا تھا؟
سر نصرت ناز.
نصرت ناز. جی.
السلام علیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام.
This is Amna Pervez. How are you, sir?
I am fine and alhamdulillah.
السلام علیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام. کیسے
سر
ہیں؟
کیسے ہیں آپ؟
ہاں جی میں ٹھیک ہوں بالکل الحمدللہ. I am fine.
میں بھی ٹھیک ہوں. تھینک یو سر.
السلام علیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام.
سر کیسے ہیں؟
الحمدللہ میں ٹھیک ہوں.
اللہ کا شکر ہے سر. سر ویکینڈ کیسا گزرا آپ کا پچھلا؟
ویکینڈ تو بہت اچھا گزرتا ہے چونکہ آپ لوگوں کے ساتھ گزرتا ہے. سیٹرڈے کو بھی کلاس ہوتی ہے اور آج بھی ہے. کل آپ لوگوں کا جو پارٹنر ہے لٹریچر والے ان کے ساتھ تھی.
ہاں جی. تو آج ہمارے ساتھ.
آج آپ لوگوں کے ساتھ ہے.
یس.
تو I love to remain with my scholars. مجھے اچھا لگتا ہے.
تھینک یو سر.
وعلیکم السلام. How are you? آواز آپ کی بالکل نہیں نکل رہی. ناشتہ نہیں کیا ابھی صبح صبح؟ ہاں
سر زیادہ ہی کر لیا.
زیادہ کر لیے. ہاں یہ چکر ایسا ہے نا.
اور سر آپ ٹھیک ہے؟
ہاں الحمدللہ. اگر لاہوریے ہو تو خوب سنڈے کو نان چنے پائے انڈے پتہ نہیں کیا کیا کھایا ہوگا.
ایگزیکٹلی لاہوری ہے.
ہاں بس پھر آواز کیوں نکلنی ہے؟
سر وہ مائک کے نزدیک نہیں تھا.
اچھا اور کون کون آ گیا ہے؟ ذرا گپ شپ لگائیں نا جی. میں سیو
جی
کر رہا
السلام
ہوں آپ
علیکم
کا.
سر.
واسلام. عائشہ کیسی ہو؟
جی سر اللہ کا شکر ہے.
عائشہ
سر ایک
کی آواز.
ریکویسٹ بھی ہے آج. جی
ہاں ہاں کریں آپ کریں.
تھوڑا سا سلیبس کے بارے میں بھی کائنڈلی گائیڈ کر دیجیے گا.
جی ٹھیک ہے کریں گے انشاءاللہ. میں کہنے لگا تھا کہ عائشہ کی آواز جو ہے نا یہ فار ایور وہ پرنسپلز والی ہے, ہیڈ مسٹروں والی.
جی
آپ کی آواز جو ہے جو پچ ہے آپ کی وہ صحیح ہیڈ مسٹروں والی ہے, پرنسپلز والی.
اچھا صحیح ہے سر. تھینک یو. آئی
السلام
ہوپ دیٹس
علیکم
اے
سر.
کمپلیمنٹ.
یس. جی وعلیکم السلام عالیہ. ہاؤ آر یو؟
سر کیسے ہیں آپ؟
الحمدللہ الحمدللہ.
اللہ کا شکر میں بھی ٹھیک ہوں.
ویری گڈ. یہ تو بڑی اچھی خبر ہے کہ سب لوگ ٹھیک ہیں کیونکہ اس پینڈیمک میں تو کافی مسائل ہیں. اچھا جی اور کون کون ہے ابھی؟
السلام علیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام. ہو از دس؟
سر سائمہ رفیق is here.
سائمہ.
سر کیسے ہیں آپ؟
الحمدللہ.
سر میری آج پریزنٹیشن بھی ہے تو میں نے آپ کو میل سینڈ کی تھی تو ہیو یو ریسیو دیٹ؟ میں یہ پوچھنا تھا.
اسے ہی ڈاؤن لوڈ کر رہا ہوں کیونکہ آپ نے بڑی ایمرجنسی میں ابھی بھیجی ہے نا.
یس سر.
السلام علیکم.
سر تھوڑی دیر پہلے بھیج دیجیے.
ہاں میں نے اسے ڈاؤن
السلام
لوڈ کر.
علیکم سر.
وعلیکم
Yes, sir.
السلام. ہو از دس؟
سر دس از ہمارا یوسف.
میرا یوسف. ہاؤ آر یو؟
الحمدللہ فائن سر. واٹ اباؤٹ یو؟
I am also fine. جی
السلام علیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام. وعلیکم السلام.
سر دس از ہمیرا.
گڈ.
سر کیسے ہیں آپ؟
الحمدللہ. I am fine. How are you and your family there?
سر الحمدللہ.
That's good. اس طرح کی گڈ نیوز وہ سننی چاہیے اور دینی چاہیے دوستوں کو. شازیہ لطیف.
وعلیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام. Who is there?
Sir, I am Tabassum.
तबस्सुम, पूरा नाम क्या है तबस्सुम?
Sir, Tabassum Noor Malik.
तबस्सुम नूर मलिक। आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन भी डाउनलोड कर रहा हूँ।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Sir, I am Merunisa. Sir, I have also sent you my presentation. Please
Yes,
check it.
I have downloaded. ये चेक करने का टाइम तो नहीं आप लोगों ने दिया, लेकिन डाउनलोड मैं जरूर कर रहा हूँ और की हुई है।
Okay, sir. Okay.
अच्छा, ये मीज़ो अमेरिकन स्लाइड्स ये किन की है, मुझे बताएंगे?
Yes, sir. I will
मीज़ो,
present. Yes,
जी?
sir.
ये अच्छा थोड़ा
मेरी है present कर. Yes,
एक
sir.
मिनट में आपका नाम इसको लिख लूँ तो फिर इंशाल्लाह हम।
सर
जी वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
सर कैसे हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। हाउ आर यू?
आई एम आल्सो फाइन।
अच्छा, एक 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 तबस्सुम तबस्सुम एक दफ़ा ज़रा मुझे बताइए कि पुटिंग एंशिएंट साउंड, जस्ट अ मिनट। ये किन शाज़िया लतीफ़। हाँ जी, शुरू करें फिर, सब आ गए तो। हेलो।
यस सर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जी सर, अभी 40 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हुए हैं।
अच्छा, तो क्या राय है आपकी, क्या किया जाए, शुरू अभी ना किया जाए?
आई थिंक सर 48 टोटल होते हैं। मैं उतनी देर आपको आज के प्रेजेंटर्स के नेम्स बता दूं, अगर शायद तब
Sure.
तक 2-4 लोग और।
श्योर प्लीज।
जी सर, आज तबस्सुम है, देन आमना,
हाँ,
शाजिया लतीफ।
पूरा नाम बोले ना, आमना परवेज मलिक, तबस्सुम
जी,
नूर मलिक।
तबस्सुम नूर मलिक, आमना परवेज, शाजिया लतीफ, साइमा रफीक, मलिहा जफर,
हाँ,
मेहरून निसा का फुल नेम मुझे नहीं आता, और बासित आमिर।
अच्छा, आपने पहला नाम पता क्या बोला है?
जी जी।
आमना, आमना परवेज तबस्सुम नूर मलिक।
अच्छा, नहीं
दोनों का
तबस्सुम
नाम
नूर
इकट्ठा
मलिक।
कर दिए। आमना अपने नाम के साथ शायद खान लगाती है, क्यों आमना?
अच्छा,
Yes sir.
आमना
Sir,
परवेज।
because this is my caste, yes.
तो
अच्छा, आमना परवेज खान।
कौन से वाले खान हो?
Sir,
हेलो।
sir यूसुफ जई सर, आपने म्यूट कर दिया था।
अच्छा, यूसुफ जई। तो ओरिजिन कौन सा है?
सर सवात से बिलोंग करते हैं हम। दादा अबू मूव हुए थे यहाँ पंजाब में, तो बेसिकली जो है वो मेरा नाम है आमना परवेज खान सवाती।
हाँ, बराबर। तो लिखा करो, ये अच्छा है, अपना पूरा नाम तो ज्यादा है।
यस सर।
आज पाकिस्तान में दो फिर स्वाति होंगे, एक आजम स्वाति होगा और दूसरी मेरी स्टूडेंट होगी आमना परवेज स्वाति।
ओके सर।
चलें जी, हम फिर मेरे ख्याल अभी शुरू करते हैं। तो रहमान, आप सबका शुक्रिया, आप तशरीफ लाए। I am hosting all of you. First of all, putting ancient sounds on exhibit, the case of two Mesoamerican bone rasps at the Pironi Museum, Rome. तबस्सुम नूर मलिक करेंगी। मैंने आपको एक बुकलेट भेजी थी, ये एक्चुअली एक जर्नल था और उस जर्नल के अंदर तमाम केस स्टडीज़ थी लिंग्विस्टिक्स के बारे में। तो उन्हीं पे मैंने चाहा कि आप लोग अगर तैयार करें और सबसे शेयर करें तो एक अच्छी इंसाइट डेवलप हो जाएगी। आप लोगों को स्लाइड नज़र आ रही है? हेलो।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir,
जी
Ari.
जी, तबस्सुम स्टार्ट करें आप प्लीज़। तबस्सुम, कैन यू लिसन अस? हेलो। तबस्सुम, अगर आप कहीं कोई इशू है तो हम नेक्स्ट पे चले जाते हैं। अच्छा, आप टेक्स्ट करके पूछ लें कि कोई उनके यहाँ इशू तो नहीं, सम टाइम होता है कोई नेट का या कोई और प्रॉब्लम हो।
ओके सर।
आई थिंक सो मैं फिर आमना परवेज को ऑफर करता हूँ कि वो आ जाए, बस हम बात में कर लें।
Yes, sir.
मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ आमना परवेज मलिक की प्रेजेंटेशन।
Sir, Amna Parvez Malik नहीं है.
ओ सॉरी, आमना परवेज खान सवाती
Yes, sir.
जी। शो हो गई है?
Yes, sir. Sir, may I start now?
श्योर श्योर।
Sir, may I start?
जी जी आमना, आप स्टार्ट करें।
Okay, sir. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is Amna Parvez Khan, and today I'm going to present a case study which is titled as The Past Interpreter Historical Stratifications in the Ritual Symbolism of Saint Joseph Festival and Holy Week in Sicily. So, Sicily basically is an Italian region. It is the largest Mediterranean island, and its rich history is reflected in its sites like the Valley of Temples, well-preserved ruins of 7 monumental, a former royal chapel in its capital city. And Sicily is famous for so many things. Like its famous attractions are Greek temples, famous opera houses, the incredible churches, and food. So the Saint Joseph Festival and Holy Week are these two religious festivals.
सिसिलियन
Sir, can you
माफिया।
kindly mute?
यस आई एम
Sir, आप
गोइंग।
mute कर दीजिए.
कर रहा हूँ। आप हैंड रेज करें ना, मैं आपको अनम्यूट करूँ। वेयर इज आमना? यस, बाकियों को मैंने म्यूट कर दिया जी।
Yes, sir.
ये सिसिली जो है, इधर ये सिसिलियन माफिया भी उधर से ही टर्म आई हुई है। और फॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव विजिटेड दिस सिटी इन 2018
Great, sir.
and many of the stories I can share, but not in this presentation, afterwards. Ji, please
Okay, sir.
carry on.
So, Saint Joseph Festival and Holy Week are two religious festivals which are celebrated in Sicily every year. Sir, the next slide, which is for introduction. Yes, I'm going to discuss in this presentation ritual symbolism of Saint Joseph festivals and Holy Week in Sicily, continuation of archaic symbols and behaviors in contemporary festivals, material and immaterial patrimony by communities, and then comparison of archaic culture with current festive context. So the question is, who is Saint Joseph and what is the festival of Saint Joseph Festival and Holy Week in Sicily? which is in the next slide. Saint Joseph is basically one of the most revered saints of Sicily. These festivals are celebrated as New Year celebration, which symbolizes the renewal of life cycle and their social relations of Sicily people, their recollection and sharing of specific culture. And these celebrations are purely related to Christianity and agricultural life. So if we study the ancient culture and the present, this modern age culture, the two basic elements are there and found which are dominated, which is Christianity and agriculture. So I add this picture to show you the ancient practice, the religious practice of ancient culture of Sicily. You all can see a white ox is advancing through a crowd. It is blindfolded and it is bound with red ribbons, and it's brought to the patron and protective saints of the community. Upon arrival, it is blessed by the priest and then slaughtered and distributed in form of blessed sandwiches. And this religious practice symbolizes their religious dedication and devotion. But if we compare this practice to the modern age, 21st century, ox is not slaughtered in this way, but slaughtered in some directly standard procedures. So this is the practice, religious practice, which is a part of Saint Joseph festival. Now there are some ritual elements of Saint Joseph festival. These are some elements which are celebrated as a part of Saint Joseph festival. Talking about the first 5 elements, which are alms, offering of wheat, tables, altars, and ritual bread. This shows food and agriculture rituals. And the last 3 elements, which are sacred image, lighting of bonfires, songs. These elements shows Christianity. Because the festival, their cultural history and traditions of Sicily are largely based on 2 things, as I mentioned earlier, which are Christianity and agriculture. So if we compare ancient and present culture, their religious beliefs are found in Christianity and agrarian roots. So now I'll discuss what these elements symbolizes. First comes tables and altars. Different votive tables and altars in prepared, in which saint participate as representatives of Saint Joseph, baby Jesus, and Mary. And the dimensions of these festivals between different time periods can be seen in preparation of table and altars. And these tables are prepared for poor and orphan children, and this preparation and offering of food for poor children symbolizes that the poor ones are invited to tables to consume significant dish, which is rice or sandwiches, with request for safety and abundance of food. So it symbolizes for safety and abundance of food. Then comes at the banquet with the dead. This is also a kind of festival, kind of food or feast in which food is prepared to offer food for to the poor children and orphan children. And the ritual banquet take place around the table of Saint Joseph, which is called Feri I Virginity in their language. And this practice, the opening dish of this festive of this feast is rice or pasta with lentils or beans, and it symbolizes their offering of pasta, and beans symbolizes the production and fertility. Then comes singing of songs. Singing of songs is also a part of ritual festival, which is the Saint Joseph festival. This song which is mentioned over here, which means the passing of the patriarch Saint Joseph, in the form of lament by Mary on death of her husband. So these songs are sung on the occasion of funeral meal for Saint Joseph. And the singing of these songs symbolizes their tribute to Christianity, their grief, their devotion to Christianity. And then bread spirals, which is also a part of Saint Joseph festival. Are spiral shaped breads, which are called kuduri, also a significant ritual in Sicily. And these shape, जो है spiral shape, symbolizes the mysterious word of death and yearly rebirth. So basically spiral shapes symbolizes the death and rebirth. So these were some elements of Saint Joseph festival. Now this picture, I added this picture to show you how these tables are prepared for orphan and poor children. and the food is prepared. You all can see sandwiches are there on the table, which are offered to the poor children. Then comes continuation of archaic symbols. So although rituals have been transformed with new meanings, like ancient time rituals were performed in some other manner, but now they are transformed with new meanings, but still the deep relationship between Christianity and especially farming still can be seen in the 21st century. And these two elements, which are Christological and hagiographical reinterpretation, these two are still found. Christological means Christianity, and hagiographic is the belief of Sicilian people on their saints. So these two elements are still found. And then comes comparison of archaic culture with current festive context. So if we compare the ancient time and the 21st century, we can see the rituals have been transformed with new meanings, which means like in ancient time, Italian region or Italian farming, their cosmic Christianity was based on incarnation, death, resurrection. But now these ideas are rejected, and these symbols and their traditions and their celebrations truly symbolizes for the nature, life, fertility, and humanity. And then there is a deep relationship between Christianity and farming. These two relationships and these two beliefs are still found in ancient times and the present times also. So lifestyle of peasants and pastoral society, definitely lifestyles of peasants has changed due to advancement of technology. In past, farmers had to do a lot of work hard, but now there is an easement in this perspective. So material and immaterial tokens of past. In past, people were immaterial, they were not materialistic, their rituals only for the religious purposes. But now, as this city is famous for chapels, churches, opera houses, so hundreds of people come to Sicily, they visit churches, opera houses, and this tourism has become a kind of business for people in Sicily. So in past, people were not materialistic, but now they are definitely materialistic. They enjoy their rituals as business also. And I added this image to show you the difference. Like in the first picture, a lady, she's performing her rituals in a traditional dress, but in the second picture we can see they are also performing their rituals, but they are wearing glasses, they are using cell phones, they are not wearing their traditional dress. So this was the comparison between two eras, mean their archaic culture and the current festive context. So if I conclude this topic, I must say that the ancient and modern age ceremonies and their ritual symbols are not comparable morphologically, but it is undeniable also at the same time that the beliefs, their cultic expressions, their festive rituals, the pilgrimages of Sicily have resembled in terms of their religious ties. Thank you so much.
Very good, very good. So nice of you, highly appreciated.
Thank you, sir.
Very much clarity and with too much good understanding. You have disseminated your point of view. You have incited from that case study. Really, I appreciate this. Now it's open to the class. Anyone wanted to comment?
Thank you, sir.
Ask something? It's open now. I allow you to unmute your mic and say something, whatever and whoever wanted to say.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, may I or the other participant?
Rasanur, you have to present now, but just we should have a minute or two from the participants if they wanted to comment on Amna Parvez Khan's presentation.
Okay, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Vasna, ji hamara.
Sir, I want to comment on Amna Parvez's presentation.
Welcome.
And, she explained very well and every aspect of the article she has presented. And even through pictures she has explained very well, and this is a new item she has added. And in the previous presentations I think there was no picture, because in the article there was no picture, but she has explained it through pictures, and through pictures I understand clearly the concept of means their rituals and their symbolisms.
Okay, being a research student, I would like to clarify you, because this is today the presenters are going to present the case studies. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
they collect data in the case study through different pictures and figures and pictures, charts and other elaborations make much convenient for the reader to understand the scene going there. So I am very pleased to listen to this whole story, and I feel that I gone back in 2018 and roaming around the streets of Sicily. Come on,
Thank you so much, sir. If I could make a reminder of that.
come on, Tabassum, start your presentation. So
Yes, sir.
raise your hand. I would allow only you to unmute your mic. Raise your hand. Where are you? Hello. Yes.
Sir, Aksar is here.
Who? Ji Aksam Khud. What do you want to say? Yes, Aksa. Say something. What do you want to say? Aksar, share your
No,
mic.
sir.
Your sound is not.
कैसे हैं आप? जी सर, परवेज
Aksa, your mic is not working. Your sound is not audible. Start, please. Tabassum, start your presentation.
Yes, sir. Sir, please show the slide. Sir, please
Okay.
share this
Oh,
slide.
yeah.
Okay.
That is there. Yes, comment.
Assalamu alaikum, all of my class, dear sir and all of my class fellows. The topic of my presentation is sporting ancient sounds on exhibit, the case of two Mesoamerican born rats at the Pigrini Museum, Rome. Next slide, sir. First of all, I will not screen sharing.
Why not sharing screen? It is yours. जी हो रही है स्क्रीन
No,
शेयर
sir.
हो रही हाँ जी
No, sir. No, sir.
just a minute this is yours and this is mine and the only one we have let me know if it is
Sir, not showing.
this. How comes this? From here it is. G. Hello.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम सर।
अस्सलाम मुस्तफा जी बताइए।
सर इसमें मुस्तफा है सर, स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है। आई थिंक उनकी तरफ कोई नेट इशू है,
हाँ स्क्रीन
वजह
शेयर
से
हो रही
उनको
है
शेयर नहीं हो
हो रही है शेयर हो रही है।
Sir, no showing.
मुझे
मेरा
ये
आपको
कहना था कि सर स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है, शो
हो रही है मेरा सिस्टम बता रहा है स्क्रीन
Sir,
शेयर हो रही है।
sir, just a minute. I will check again.
Please don't waste time. What is this? We just have few minutes to present. I think so. I should allow the next presenter. I think so. Maliha Zafar. Maliha, get ready. Raise your hand, and I would unmute. Allow you to unmute. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Can you see your slides?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start. Go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I'm going to just present before you my case study. The topic is nature as conceived by the Mesopotamians and the
Okay, read your topic. Read.
And the current anthropological debate over animism and personhood, the case of Abhay, mountain, person, and God. First of all, I want to discuss with you the introduction. This article or case study is about mountains. The mountains are not only represent as a dialect element in this article or case study, it is an essential part. Mesopotamians are representative of a myths and rituals. Mountains referred and present as a living beings. First of all, the question arises, what is Mesopotamia is? Mesopotamia is a historical region of Western Asia situated with the Tigris, Euphrates river system in northern part of the Fertile Crescent in modern days, roughly corresponds to most of the Iraq, Kuwait, the eastern parts of Syria, southeastern Turkey, and regions along the Turkish, Syria, and Iraq borders. What is the Mesopotamian religion? In this culture, they had a polytheistic belief system. They believe multiple gods instead of just one god. They believed in demons created by the gods, which could be good or evil. In this case study, mountains were conceived as a god and conceptualized as a living being acting in the world on behalf of humans. Mesopotamian engaged with the conceptualize their divine cosmos. The divine cosmos means the divine is a god or like a god. A cosmos means apparently they engage, they look like them as a god to the mountains. The portrait supernatural character Abhay as a half anthropomorphic. Anthropomorphic means having qualities like a human, but not as a human. They have a characteristics of human and half mountains. The most important character in Mesopotamians is Abhay. It is a supernatural character. Abhay emerges as a powerful person and deity. Deity means God, who was called upon behalf of human for his protecting and helping attributes as much as for his mighty strength. Abhay is not only considered as a bearded man, tall and beautiful, but is worshipped due to goodness, purity, and divinity. This mountain is considered not only as cosmic topographical entity or as the mere abode of the gods, but also as an other human person and God. The personhood ascribed to Abhay derives not only from its physical representation, but is due particularly to its agency within the lively and relational cosmos of the ancient Mesopotamians. In this, the concept of personhood plays a key role in shedding new light upon the amic notion of divinity and nature. Thank you.
Or ended the news. Maliha Zafar, your accent and your description style is very near to the news readers. It's
ये मुझे बहुत से लोगों ने कहा है इनफ के मेरे ऑफिस के लोग भी कहते हैं आप अप्लाई करें न्यूज के अंदर आप बहुत बेहतरीन न्यूज कास्टर है एज अ बतौर एडमिन ऑफिसर के बजाय आप न्यूज कास्टर बहुत अच्छी बनेंगी ये मुझे आपकी तरफ से भी कॉम्प्लीमेंट आ गया तो इसका मतलब है ये वेरीफाइड हो गई ये बात
Where do you work? Where are you working as an admin officer?
Thank you, sir.
Where are you working as an admin officer?
Finance department, sir. Punjab Civil Secretariat.
Aha, that's fine now. Really, your accent and description is very closer to the news readers. You can do that job as well. along with,
Sir, दो jobs बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
But anyway, it's very pleasing to learn about the Mesopotamia and the information you started from your case study. If anybody wanted to say something, You are open now. I allow you to unmute your mic and go ahead, comment and ask something if you wanted to say. जी आयशा नजर, आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं मलीहा जफर को?
जी sir, I have few words for appreciation. That was very good, and you also said it that she has a very good accent and she has done justification with the language as well, because I feel English को English की तरह ही obviously बोलना चाहिए. Secondly, I would like to appreciate Amna as well. Her presentation was very well prepared and she presented it very well. So both of them very nice, very good.
Thank you. Anybody else? Hello. कोई और बात करना चाहता है? क्या बाकी लोग नाश्ता करके सो गए हैं ऑनलाइन होके? साइमा रफीक, मेहरुन्निसा?
Yes sir, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Sir, I would like to say that both of the presenters have presented very well, especially Amna. The way she has presented the presentation is very good. History is a subject which is usually considered to be the boring and dull, and few people have interest in them. But the way in Amna has presented it, it was looking interesting. And there was a clarity of ideas, very good presentation.
We do have a participant over here, Realme C2. Who is this? Realme C2. Hello? इस आईडी से कौन लॉगिन हुआ है? Realme C2. जी, to whom we should Realme? Who is this? Your mic is on, Realme C2. आप बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Sir, this is Muhammad Hanif, sir.
Okay. Why you use this login?
Actually, sir,
yeah.
I deleted the old Zoomas and then installed the new one.
Okay.
I was in a great hurry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Do you have any comment and anything you wanted to say?
Sir, while doing MPhil linguistics, they have studied something with regard to slides and presentation.
Right.
We studied and learned at the university that while giving presentation, there should be chiefly and preferably there should be headings instead of having full length paragraphs.
Yeah.
There should be headings, and presenters should explain and elucidate those headings in front of the audience or listeners.
Sure, I agree with this. Towards preparation of PowerPoint presentation, all of the world, it's a style to have just bullets and a few highlights, and in-depth detail should be presented by the presenter himself. अच्छा, ज़रूरी नहीं कि इसमें वो अब एक होता है खौफ कि चीज़ें रह ना जाए, मिस ना हो जाए, तो आप पेपर पे लिख के साइड पे साथ रख सकते हैं, हाथ में पकड़ सकते हैं. लेकिन जो अपरेंटली शो हो रहा हो, जो आपका फेस है, अपरेंट